19, 2026, Sunday, 6:15 a.m. We are here in Madrigal Business Park. We are going to explore this area. So it's early morning. Wala pang masyadong sasakyan. A few motorcycles. Alright, we are here on the designated painted bike lane. Good morning. So ayun, ito yung corner ng Alabang Zapote Road. We're turning right. Going against the sun. Okay. And turning right again. Yung bank street nila, mga banks on this street. We are in Acacia Avenue. Up ahead, we're going to do a U-turn. My computer is showing distance covered is 9.4. Moving time is 39 minutes 27 seconds. Speed 17 kilometers per hour. So ito na yung U-turn. So this is a commercial area. Bihira ang mga public vehicles. Merong jeepney dito na yung town center na biyahe, pero kundi na lang yun. Walang mga masyadong tricycles, usually private cars, motorcycles. Alright, turning right. Let's do the counterclockwise. So this area, may part dito sa likod. Mamaya pag-ikot natin, nasaray pa rin natin yun. So this area, ayan, may mga joggers, runners, walkers. Mga occasional cyclists. Since this area, there's not a lot of traffic on these roads here in Madrigal Business Park. So matagal na to, since 2000 pa. Dinevelop nila to sa business commercial area. Ayan, ito na yung sinasabi nating park on the right. So 20 years ago, more than 20 years ago, na-develop nila to into a commercial business area, office, ng mga office. I think this is a former site ng Big Bang sa Alabang. Alright, turning right again. Kalimutan natin privacy kung walang consent. Pwedeng i-film or i-post or i-public. So we're going to turn around and we'll do the clockwise version. So this is Industry. Ang issue ngayon, among other things, helmet use, not just with motorcycle riders, extend na rin natin sa ating mga cyclists, whether on road bike, gravel bike, mountain bike, folding bike, fat bike, cruiser, Japanese bike. Kahit na malapit lang o within village lang, it's for your protection. So for your brain and for your head, for your protection, wear your helmet. Kahit na sabihin natin mabagal ka lang, because we don't know, there's a lot of bad actors on the road, whether it's negligence, ignorance, or downright intentional. May nasasagi ka, pupunggo ka, kikit-kiting ka. So protect yourself. Isa lang yung utak mo. I think may mga magagandang helmets that is priced to about a few thousand pesos, pero meron namang mga helmets na affordable. So check nyo lang yung mga helmets na good helmets that would give you protection for your head, brain. All right, we're going back to Acacia. Galing tayong Trade Street, Acacia Avenue. Alright. Ibang mga pagkarami ng mga trees dito, mga more than 20 years old na, going 30, okay, yung iba pa nga more than that pa bago ito naging commercial area. Definitely back sa ng COVID, marami rin sasakyan. 2 or 3 years ago, ganitong oras sa Sunday, o konti pa lang ang mga sasakyan, pero ngayon dinig na, dami. Alright, that's our ride. Thank you for watching, thank you for joining me. Till next time, ride safe.